Did you throw your ball? Where's the ball? Oh. Oh, there you go. Thank you. Oh, went back to you. It went back to you. May I? May I? This is a fun way to play soccer with little ones. You know, don't throw it too hard, Ubs. But, yeah. It's just a regular shopping bag here. And a nice little cat toy. Obviously, if your cats ever play with it, you want to wash it all up, maybe put it through the dishwasher, get it all sanitized for bird use. Whoop. Oh. Ooh, yeah. Get some soccer? You get some soccer? Fun fact, America is not the only country that calls it soccer instead of football. But, you know, feel free to do the goal, etc., 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 if they get in the handle area. I mean, I think a bird would really appreciate that sort of thing. Right, baby? Yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh, spin. Oh, spin that ball. Oh, spin that ball. Yeah. And if a bird doesn't want to play, they'll generally let you know. Almost. Almost. Can I get it in the goal? I know in the double bag it's a little more difficult because it sticks up more, but she's done it. Come on, baby. In the goal? In the goal? Oops. Accidentally gave it a pull. Hi. May I? Oh, you silly. Yeah, so like I said, if they don't want to play, they'll let you know. And it looks like she might be just getting a little worn out with this. Hey, no biting. No biting. Okay, baby bird. Okay, baby bird. Yeah, it looks like she's all sockered out right now. She'd rather dig. You silly bird. Oop, maybe you're not done. Or maybe you'd just rather dig. Look at those fluffy pants. Look at those fluffy pants. You are a fluffy pantsed bird. You're so cute.